Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning your green screen smoothly and tightening any wrinkles. This matters because chroma key relies on uniform color. Once done, light the backdrop separately from you with 2 to 3 soft sources to avoid spill and shadows. Make sure your camera is steady on a tripod and set manual white balance and exposure so the green reads consistent. These first actions prevent keying issues later and give you clean footage for easy removal. You now record your footage with controlled wardrobe. Avoid greens and steady movements. This reduces motion blur that complicates keying. Then import into your editor. YouTube Studio has basic tools but use Premiere, DaVinci, or CapCut for precise chroma key settings. Once in the keyer, adjust similarity and smoothness first, then reduce green spill with suppression controls. Finally, refine edges with feathering or matte choke to recover hair and props. These middle steps shape a natural composite. You finish by fine-tuning integration. Match subject color and contrast to the background using color grading, add a subtle light wrap and drop shadow so the subject sits believably in the scene, and check motion for jitter or color shifts. Once satisfied, export at your original resolution and high bitrate. This preserves alpha and detail. If you still see green fringing, reduce similarity slightly and boost spill suppression while using a small matte choke. This single troubleshooting step fixes most residual green edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.